Guys, thanks for joining me for another face painting tutorial. Let's get together and learn how to face paint this Pegasus unicorn. So I've got a tag split cake here called Norway, and I'm going to try and pick up this pink right here, which is going to be part of the unicorn's wing. I'm just going to sponge on this pink right here. This colour will be the inner and base of the wing of the unicorn. So I'm going to start off with a round flat oval like this right here and fill that in. And from then on, I'm going to bring over this part of the unicorn. Then defining the head. So this will be the bulk of the head, and then this will be the muzzle right here. Now just along here, I'm just going to do a little curve down. Now just around about here, I'm going to paint on the unicorn's ears. So just doing a teardrop coming up like that. So a stroke coming up and lifting off, and then the unicorn's horn. Just up there. I'm using a tag sunset split cake, and I'm going to pick up these neon orange and this neon yellow. So it's a nice vibrant colour. Here I'm just going to give it some flicks inward, just like that. And then from here, I'm going to flick out some hair past the horn, the base of the horn. So just flicking. Now using that purple there from Norway, just going to draw the eyes on. So with a curve up and out, and then just a curve upward, and then halfway through a curve inward, and then a curve inward again. And then filling in that area and just leaving a small dot of white. I'm going to flick some eyelashes out. And then outline the unicorn's ear. And with the tip of the brush, outline the unicorn's horn. Putting a smile through. And outlining the jaw. Also doing an outline downward and completing it with the nose. I'm just going to outline the flicks of the mane, doing some curls inward where the hair is. I've just loaded up my short angled brush with this Norway split cake. I'm going to go ahead and do a wing inward, spike and inward. So lifting it in an angle up and then inward, again up and inward, and the last one up and inward, bringing it into the center of the face each time. We'll do one more and then inward. Using the heel of the brush, I'm just going to now fill in the pink that we have there. Now picking up that neon orange and neon yellow again. I'm just going to do a series of teardrops coming down halfway from the wing, in between those lines, and just follow them to the middle of the face. Loading up some white on a number 2 brush. Gonna make some cute dots. On either wing, each wing. Just to finish off, I'm just going to finish off with some lovely teardrops coming through and around on top of the unicorn. Adding a star right where the horn is. So pressing your brush down and then flicking outward. I'm going to do another one here. And another one alongside it. Once this wing is dry, I'm just going to add a star stencil and add just a few stars on the wing. Depends on how big the area is, you can add some more stars. I'm just going to define the outer of this wing and bring some strokes in just to define them. And there you have it, a really cute Pegasus unicorn design. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you got something out of this, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any face painting related questions or you need something that you need clarified, make sure you comment down below and I'll do my absolute best to share my knowledge with you in the next video. I'm on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me so we don't miss each other for the next one. Until next time, happy painting!